Hey guys, what's going on? I am so excited to tell you about my favorite Christmas candle in the whole world. I absolutely love this so much. It's a Bath and Body Works candle. I love that store. They have wonderful smelling candles, body wash, lotion, anything that smells good really that you think of they have. And they have different like holiday candles and different seasonal candles. So for winter, I love 'Tis the Season, and then they have another candle that's called Winter, but this is my most favorite one. It is 4x4 by 3.5 inches, and it is 1.74 pounds. This is great to give as a gift. I'm actually getting ready to wrap this for my aunt because I know she loves this candle, so I had to get her one when I went to the store today. But of course, luckily you could buy this online. This literally smells like Christmas. So I'm just gonna open this up. It's not even like lit, and I could just get the fragrance and aromas already. So it smells like a little bit like apple, cinnamon. It kind of reminds me of the winter candy apple, which I just bought their shower gel and lotion and body spray. But I don't know if winter candy apples makes a candle because I didn't see it in the store today. But anyway, it kind of smells like that, but plus a little more spice and cinnamon to it. It smells amazing. If you have Christmas, if you're hosting, I definitely suggest you have this burning when your guests come over. They're going to be like telling you how great it smells. I think the container in itself is so pretty. I love the little green tree with the little lights on it. And then what's actually really cool about this is once it's lit, it kind of looks like the Christmas tree is lit up because you see like the candle flame like kind of shines through it. It's such a pretty design on the candle. Beautiful to have on your table. And then you have a little gingerbread house on the side. Same thing with the gingerbread house on the side. Oh, and this has some glitter in it, so you get a little bling there. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. And then the same with these, like it'll make it look like the snow and the lights are lit up when the candle's burning. You get a good amount of time out of it. I forget exactly how many hours it burns for, but it'll definitely last you a while. So candle's red. It's like a light red, almost looks like a light pink from the camera. Of course, it's like a little darker, but it matches my Christmas red tablecloth so well. I keep smelling it. It's delicious. And then this is the top, actually. I'm going to show you guys. It has the Christmas tree on it, star. Very pretty. And cover it. Very festive. Perfect for the season. Okay, so let's go to the back so I can show you guys. So it says, Bath and Body Works 'Tis the Season Scented Candle. Fragrance notes: red apple, sweet cinnamon, and cedarwood. High concentrations of rich fragrance oils deliver room-filling fragrance, which lasts for hours even after it's lit, by the way. Our patented soy blend wax is formulated to provide the best fragrance experience. Created with premium lead-free wicks, 100% crafted with you in mind, 100% satisfaction guaranteed, burns approximately 25 to 45 hours. Warning: to prevent fire and serious injury, burn candle within sight. Never burn a candle on or near anything that can catch fire. Keep out of reach of children and pets. Trim wicks to 1/4 inch before each relighting. Keep all objects, including matches and wick trimmings, out of the candle. Do not burn candle for more than 3 to 4 hours at a time. Don't extinguish with water. Allow to cool without relighting. Keep out of drafts. Net weight 14.5 ounces, 411 grams. There's the barcode on the back. U.S. patent. There's the number. Bath and Body Works distributor, 95 West Main Street, New Albany, Ohio, 43054. Shop bathandbodyworks.com, 1-800-395-1001. And of course, recycle the empty glass, please. I think it's just so pretty. I mean, I think even if you like scrape out the candle and save this, you can like put some Christmas lights inside and close this and kind of leave it as a decoration. Just a thought. Just trying to be a little creative. So guys, it's amazing. 'Tis the Season scented candle by Bath and Body Works. Smells so good. Lasts for hours and hours. It will fill your whole house with a delicious smell. All your guests will love it. I suggest buying this for you and getting one as a gift for somebody too. It's wonderful. Makes a great It's big to be a stocking stuffer, but if you have to do like a Secret Santa at work, I definitely suggest this because there really is no one that's not going to like this candle. I mean, it smells wonderful and it's so Christmassy and festive. I absolutely love it. So I thank you guys for watching the video and I hope you found it useful. Have a great night.